Good morning, people. Welcome back to another video. We are here in New Delhi. As you can see, the traffic is too much. We just woke up and we are going to the middle of the city just to see around for now. We don't have any plan to record, just walking like always. My foot is hurting a little bit. I cannot walk too much. Too many seats here. My foot is a bit hurting. I cannot talk. People, they're driving like crazy, like a maniac here. So now we need to take the street down, and we're going to the other side to take the train. First time I will take the train. Hopes it's the old one, but I don't think so. I think it's a luxury train. I think so. Anyway, see you soon. Okay, we just passed through the security of the train station. We bought the ticket for 40 rupees and we are trying to go so numero 2. We are trying to go to New Delhi Gate, something like that. After that we will walk a little bit. But it's not the old train, it's like new train. But everywhere where you go there is security. Mall, train, airplane, toilet, there is security everywhere. So guys, if you ever want to travel to New Delhi and you buy the ticket like this one, it's like a QR. Sometimes when you press, it's working, and when you go out you need to put the QR again to go to the exit, and sometimes this one not working, so you go to the ticket man and he fix you a new one, a ticket, so you can go out, so you don't pay anything, just so you know. We took the wrong train, but it's okay. We're walking a little bit. People are staring at us like crazy because okay, we are foreigners. The good thing is it's not hot and it's not cold, so we will not sweating like Goa and Mumbai. The traffic is insane here, guys. We are trying to go to the red fort. It's like a building red. The traffic here is chaotic, really chaotic. We'll be walking around 10-15 minutes just to see around. We didn't want to take the train or any tuk-tuk, because if you take the tuk-tuk you don't see anything. The other guy, I think he's a policeman, if you can see. I don't know if you can see, maybe I will zoom him. Περνάμε. Τώρα πάμε περάσουμε. Και άλλοι ξένοι και. Αυτοί από εκεί πάντα.
Red Fort's closed, yeah?
We are going for the Red Fort too.
It's closed. We bought tickets this morning, yeah?
It's closed until the 17th.
The proper
farmers market, the farmers thing.
So I bought tickets from the proper place, from the tourism board on the line. This morning at 10 o'clock, we get there. It's shut, yeah. So I asked another army guy. Shut because of the farmers
protest.
Farmers protest.
Shut down.
Shut until the 17th.
Yeah.
Ooh.
But we're meant to be going to
Agra this afternoon.
Tomorrow we will go there.
Right, and
but the trains apparently 12-hour plus delay because of the same thing.
It's in there, you never know.
And I'm wondering if that's going to be open. I don't know. So
But yeah, sorry.
we're going to go and see the gate and then have a drink and see our next plans that we may.
What can we do? It's India.
I know.
Exactly.
You never know, you never know.
I know.
That's part of what it is.
Where are you from?
This is why they got all of these
UK.
police
What about
things.
yourself?
We are from Greece, but we're living in Sweden.
Oh, nice. Oh, good. How long have you got?
We've been in Mumbai. Yesterday we were like 6 days in Goa.
Oh, nice. That was nice.
We came yesterday here.
Oh, good. Yeah, so we go Agra tonight, then go to Jaipur for 4 or 5 nights. 4 nights, and then go down to Pondicherry.
Okay.
We just come back from Shimla. We went up to Shimla.
Yeah, just been to Shimla. That's good.
Okay.
I love that. It's very good.
It's really good, it is. And the toy train.
Yeah.
It's good, yeah.
That's good fun.
Okay.
No, we're good, mate.
Thank you guys.
Take care.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you.
Okay guys, we find some couple from UK. They went to the Red Fort and he said that they bought the ticket from the side, but the Red Fort gate was closed because of something of farming like this, and they cannot go inside, so they bought the tickets for nothing. So now we don't know what we are going to do. We are thinking now, new plan. So the Red Fort was this one, but I don't know if you can see, it's there. So when you're coming to India, it's better to not buy online the ticket because you never know if it's open or closed. And there is something about the farmers, he said. So we're going to the old town now. Let's see what's there. Yeah. It's closed. Nice job, not. We find the two tattoo artists. As you can see now, we find two monkeys. Look at this. Okay, we are inside the old town of New Delhi. Oh, so many. They want to play the guide and like this. Like 10 minutes we said no, no, no. And he's still following us. But what can we do? They are hustling. So many bicycles, so many people, and the other guy said tomorrow it's the monkey fest. There will be a lot of money. How does he know it will be many monkeys? He just wants money. Okay, maybe there is a monkey fest tomorrow, but how does he know that all the monkey will be here? He doesn't know. He don't talk with monkeys. We just saw two monkeys. To get inside here with a car or a motorbike or anything with an engine, we get fined around 20,000. 20,000 rupees, and for the local people it's a lot. It's a lot. Okay, for me it's a lot too, not cheap. Someone is walking behind me. Now, I don't know what he's doing. Okay, he's a regular guy. There is nothing to see here, only shop, and bikes. Not much to see, only if you buy stuff. I have stuff right now, I don't need to buy anything. I don't know, guys, but people are living here, but they don't know the place. We want the spicy market, but he doesn't know where they are, and they live here, local people. So I don't know. No, thank you. No, thank you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So maybe we will go inside there. Maybe we will go inside there, or we will go all the way back to find the spicy market, just for the photo. But you have these people, they are following you, after you, every minute they ask you, every minute. They don't leave you alone. Nothing. 1 minute we stayed and they are overall, as you can see. They stay to us to take us around, but we don't want. We want to be alone. Let's go. First he said the market is down. After one, he said the market's from the other side. They are lying to you. They are lying to you. And we have those crazy people with beep beep every second. Crazy town, crazy. Crazy town. Okay, we have a crazy guy behind me. He never stopped, as you can see. Can you hear him? Crazy. He's coming after me. Baba, θα μου σπάσει τα νεύρα αυτός, Can you hear him? He's following us. Jesus Christ. Can you see him? 2 hours later. If you see him, avoid him. He never lived from you. Never talk to him. Jesus Christ. Listen. Okay, finally he stopped. I stayed and I told him, do you need anything? Then he left. Jesus Christ, 10 minutes in my ear. He said the same thing, 10 minutes. Avoid this person if you see him. Take him a wanted poster and put it on the wall if you come to Old Town, New Delhi. Jesus Christ, my head is hurting now. Better to hear the horn than him. Jesus. Okay guys, I will close the video here. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. My head is hurting from this guy. Oh my God. 10 minutes behind us, he said the same thing. I don't know if you can hear it on the video. I hope so. Just if you're coming to Old Town and you see him, avoid him. Otherwise, you will have him all the trip. All the trip. Okay guys, see you to the next video. Like, share and...
What together?
No thank you, no thank you. Like, share and like, share and subscribe. And see you on the next one. My head is chaos now. This town is getting you crazy without pills. Ciao.